Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my computer science class. So, we were discussing the chapter Internet and Search Engines. This is the 8th chapter of your class 6 computer science book, IT Planet. So, in the part 1, we have discussed what is Internet, what are the different uses of Internet, and we have discussed how what are the different ways of searching information on internet. So we have studied that basically there are two type of search tools, the search engine and the search directories. And I have told that nowadays search engines are more popular and search subject directories are losing their um, interest in the people or the users because they generally prefer using the different search engines. Now let us see what a search engine is in detail. So a search engine is a software program which helps in finding websites, web pages and internet files. So what a search engine does, it is basically a program and it helps in finding the different websites or web pages. What is a website? A website is a collection of web pages. Like a book has a number of pages, in the same way a website is a collection of interrelated web pages. And it can be this website can be created by an organization, a group or an institution. So this search engine helps in finding these websites. Now search engines are particularly helpful in locating web pages on certain topics or in locating specific pages for which you do not know the exact URL or web address. So how this search engine works? It helps in opening the pages of the website or web pages or different internet files in case you do not have the URL. URL is Uniform Resource Locator, which is the web address of any website or web page. So students, here this Google Chrome is a search engine. Similarly, this Microsoft Edge is also a search engine. These are web browsers. And now I'm clicking on this Google Chrome. Whatever we want to search, we type it here. Like suppose I'm typing search engine. So these are the results. I'm clicking on the this first website page and this web page has appeared. Now this is the URL. This part, this is the URL or the web address. So search engine requires that you enter a word or phrase called search text that describes the item you want to find. Like I have typed search engine as the word or phrase. So many search engines use a program called a spider to display a list of all web pages that contain the word or phrase you enter. So how does the search engine work? They use a program. This program is called as spider, or they are also called as crawler or bot. So this program is a spider, and what it does, it searches the web pages and matches it with the word or phrase you have entered and then displays the result. So it displays a list of all web pages. When I entered search engine, a number of web pages appeared like here. This one. You can see there are a number of web pages. These are the list of web pages when I entered the term search engine. So these are the list which appeared. Now, also called a crawler or a bot, a spider reads pages on websites in order to create a list or index of hits. Now, what happens? This crawler or bot or a spider, it reads the pages on the websites and creates a list that I have shown you. Each hit in the list has a link. When clicked, displays an associated website or web page. So this is a hit. All these are hits and they are associated with a website or web page. Most search engines sequence the hits based on how close the words in the search text are to one another in the title and description of hits. Thus, the first few links probably contain more relevant information. So, these search engines, they also sequence the hits in how close they are matching to your text. Like the first 1 2 3 4, they will be the exact matches, and then in the lower order it will be closer to the your search text. So the topmost are more closer to your search. Some web browsers contain an instant search box that, when filled in, uses a predefined or default search engine to perform searches. So, in a few of the web browsers, they have instant search box. Like in Google Chrome, you can search quickly. Now, search techniques. How can we search or find out the required information using these search engines? Now, search techniques are: if you enter a phrase with spaces between the words in search text, most search engines display results that include all of the words. So, if you are typing a text with spaces in between, what will happen? The search engine tries, or the program tries to include all the words. Like if I have typed internet and search engine, so the first this search engine will try to find out the websites that have all these text included in all these words included in their text. The following list identifies techniques that you can use to improve your search. Now, how can you improve your search? Use specific nouns. Put the most important terms first in your in the search text. So, you have to be very specific. Use the terms appropriately and use the important terms first and then the other terms. Secondly, use quotation marks to create phrases so that the search engine finds an exact sequence of words. Use quotation marks. Quotation marks are inverted commas, like double inverted comma, single inverted commas. So if you are including your words and phrases in quotation marks, so what happens? The search engine finds an exact sequence. Like suppose internet and search engine. So if you are putting it in an inverted comma, your search engine will find the exact match, like all the websites in which internet and search engine is written as such. But if you are not, then it might be internet is written somewhere, search engine is written somewhere, and they are on the same web page. That is why what will happen? It will not be the exact match, or it might not be possible that whatever you are finding is appropriate. Whatever the results are there, are displayed, are appropriate. It may be appropriate to your search, it might not be. But if you are putting it in an inverted comma, what will happen? You will find the text in exact sequence which you have entered in the search box. Now list all possible spellings, for example, email or email. Sometimes what happens, uh, the term which we are using, the punctuation marks which we are using, they might not match the terminology which is used in the web page or website. So if you want to find something, you have to type all the possible spellings. Next is, if the search is unsuccessful with one search engine, try another. So there are a number of search engines I have shown you: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. There are a number of browsers. So if you are unsuccessful with search engine, that doesn't mean you will not be able to find out the text. You just have to try with another search engine. So this was about the search engines. Now the search directories. So this I'll cover in my next part. Till then, students, thank you.